First, take the chicken and add some ginger garlic paste. Next, sprinkle in some salt to taste. Then, it's time to add chicken masala. Now, let's add a little bit of curd. Then, sprinkle in some chili powder. If you like it spicy, feel free to add a little extra. Give everything a good mix to combine. Let it rest for about 30 minutes. This will let the flavors marinate. While the chicken is marinating, let's chop up one big onion. Grab some cinnamon sticks, cloves, and cumin. Add these aromatic spices to a hot pan with ground nut oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions. And don't forget those curry leaves. Let them cook until the onions are about 70% roasted. Now, let's add in our marinated chicken. Look at that color. Give it a good mix so the chicken gets coated with all those aromatic spices. Let the chicken cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, it's time to add a little water to bring everything together. But here's the trick: don't fully submerge the chicken. You want it to sink about 70% under the water. Mix it well and let it cook. Now, keep an eye on the chicken. If it's cooked, you can remove the excess water and let the rest of the curry thicken up as it dries. But if the chicken's not cooked yet, just keep simmering until the water fully dries out and the chicken is tender. Once the chicken is perfectly cooked, finish it off with fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it, a simple and flavorful chicken curry that's ready to serve. Enjoy this mouth-watering curry with some hot rice or naan. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more tasty recipes. See you next time.